Hi, today we're going over the Amcrest 4K NVR. This is the model number NV2108-HS. Inside the box, you have the NVR itself. It is very lightweight. There is no hard drive at all. Some paperwork, manuals, wires for the hard drive to hook up to, the mouse, network cable, and the 12-volt power adapter. This is the front. There's nothing fancy about it, just the USB for the mouse, or maybe the USB stick to export video to. In the back, there's the power. Cat5 cable goes in here, VGA, the HDMI port, and another USB port. So because there's no hard drive in there right now, so I better hook up the Western Digital. To install the hard drive is pretty easy. All you have to do is loosen the screw on the side here, in the back here, and lift it straight up. The hard drive was just recently installed. They gave you the two wires. Here's the power cable goes into here and goes into the hard drive here. Here's the data SATA connection, goes from here to the hard drive here. Now let's close it up and power up the unit. Okay, the machine is turned on now, and this is the first thing that you see. It's asking for a password, confirm password. I already put in the password, so let's hit next step. Unlock pattern, nothing fancy. The mouse is really lousy, so that's why you're seeing me wiggling around like that. Here are some security questions. I really don't care, so I'm putting in whatever. Looks like it's asking for an email to reset the password, so here we go. After entering all those passwords and email verifications, you are greeted with this general setup, which is the name, the date and time, and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm happy to say that the wizard was able to find the Amcrest cameras itself, which is here. Luckily, it also supports Anpviz standard. So these are my Anpviz cameras. Here we can click and add another one, and you can see that it's able to see all the other Anpviz cameras throughout the house. It's best if you click on the IP address of the camera that you want, and then go down to manual add. From there, you can enter the credentials, such as the admin and the password for the cameras, and it will add onto the screen itself. It's pretty easy, so I'm pretty happy and very happy that it's able to support other cameras besides Amcrest itself. So far so good. So if you have any questions about this this NVR, feel free to ask me. Here on the side you can see a bunch of wires, really messy. I haven't cleaned it up yet, but here it is. Remember, the NVR itself does not have any PoE port, so that's why I'm using this PoE injector onto the Amcrest camera here. And the Amcrest itself goes through the switch, and the switch itself is also connected to the NVR itself, and the switch is also online at the moment, so you can view the camera on the network. Here we go. I have a laptop sitting by It uses the Internet Explorer, so you can also view it on your laptop or on your mobile phone. Right now it's on the Internet Explorer. The picture itself is very, very good. So far I'm very happy. I would definitely recommend these units. As of December 2019, the NVR itself is about 140. This is 8 channel, so I'll be adding more cameras later on to the NVR onto the screen. Alright, happy holidays everyone.